The Presidential Chief Executive Officers Forum have toured Sino-Mbale Industrial Park, Mbale, to ascertain its performance and progress. Seated on 618 acres of land with 23 factories, over 2,000 jobs have been created, hence reducing the unemployment challenge in Mbale region.
Government has embarked on the industrialization policy for development and also bridge on the unemployment gap. This has prompted the Presidential Chief Executive Officer Forum to pay a courtesy visit to Sino Industrial Park to ascertain the progress and also do research and advocacy to bridge the gap between government and the private sector.
It is such a pleasure, as a Ugandan in particular, to come to a park like this and to see the importance of technology transfers and collaboration with other countries like China in particular. So as CEOs, we really want to thank the Presidential CEO Forum, which really has done a very good job in bridging the gap between the private sector and government, showing us practically what we need in order to grow as Ugandans, in order to grow our businesses, and in order for us to be able to really compete at a regional level, at a continental level. And
Chief Executive Officers, Sino-Mbale Industrial Park, Mbale, lauded the Presidential Chief Executive Officers Forum for the initiative and pledge to work handy with government for development. Provision of technological skills was, however, cited as eminent following the increasing number of factories in the country.
Today what I've seen between the Sino-Mbale Industrial Park is very amazing, especially for the young people that we have seen who have gotten employment. They have learned how to assemble different equipment like percolators, bulbs, cables.
The government was urged to come up with a good and well-thought industrial policy to ensure a fast and steady growth.
So I think this is the way to go, and knowing that the Uganda Investment Authority is establishing more industrial parks across Uganda, I think we will very fast achieve development in this country. As the CEOs Forum invitee and member, I think this is very good for us. Many of us have learned a lot, so it will help our partnership with government to advise.
According to the management of Sino Industrial Park Uganda, Mbale, the gesture by the Presidential CEO Forum of visiting different companies establishes a good working relationship.
To visit Sino Uganda Mbale Industrial Park, I believe they are happy with the progress in the park, and they are willing to work with us. Thank you, Your Excellency, the President of the Uganda, for the good working relationship.
Sudat Kaye, Yiga Muhammad, UBC News.
Muslims have been asked to embrace government programs, especially the parish development model, to improve their livelihoods. This has been discussed